One of the biggest changes to our new catalog experience is that you can now check out digital loans from Libby OverDrive and Hoopla directly from within the catalog if you are logged in. Let's take a look. Say you've done a search and found an ebook that is available through Libby OverDrive. You want to check it out so you can read it in the Libby app. Instead of redirecting you to access and then check out the item in the Libby app or OverDrive website, now you can simply check the item out from right here. Soon after, the item will appear in your account. The next time you go to the OverDrive website or open the Libby app, the item will be waiting for you. Or you can click Access Online right from here and it will launch through the browser on PC or prompt the app to open on mobile. The same goes for Hoopla items. Not only that, but you can see all of your digital loans and holds when logged into your account under the Checked Out Titles and Titles on Hold menu options. You can even return items from within your account in the catalog if you'd like. Although other digital materials such as those from Canopy, LinkedIn Learning, or Learning Express cannot be checked out this way, they can be easily accessed directly from a catalog search now. Clicking Access Online will launch that service in the browser so you can access the content quickly and easily. With these new features, it's easier than ever to find, access, check out, and manage all types of materials from the library.